Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle complex in the world, with an area of nearly 18 acres. It is a must-see while you're in Prague, but because of its size, definitely set aside at least a half a day, if not more, to see it. Prague Castle was founded in the 9th century and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The property includes palaces, a large cathedral, and is still the operating residence and office of the President of the Czech Republic. Over the centuries, the complex has added more buildings, showcasing different style in different eras of Europe. As you can see, Prague Castle sees a lot of visitors each day, with nearly 2 million people visiting each year. One of the most iconic places to visit at Prague Castle is called the Golden Lane, which was created in the 15th century. The lane has colorful houses with a storied past, including one of the homes of author Franz Kafka. The lane was inhabited for more than 500 years. The land that is currently the Czech Republic has been through many wars over the centuries and has some darker history as well. When you visit Prague Castle, you will be able to see Daliborka Tower, which served as a prison from 1496 to 1781. You will walk through the dungeons and see how inmates lived and died for nearly 300 years. If you have also visited Schönbrunn Palace in Vienna, you will notice some similarities in architecture. Habsburg Empress Maria Theresa also renovated Prague Castle as well as the Schönbrunn Palace. St. Vitus Cathedral was built in the 10th century, but was rebuilt as a Gothic church hundreds of years later. As you leave the castle, you will walk down these beautiful stairs which open up into the Malá neighborhood. You are just a few steps away from Charles Bridge, and my suggestion, you will be just about a block away from the Hotel Aria, which has my favorite rooftop restaurant in the city. You can eat or drink at the restaurant without being a guest of the hotel, but definitely be respectful. Walking through Prague Castle will take a while, but it is well worth it to see the history of Czechia over the centuries. You can see the beginnings of Bohemia through the communist era and all the way to the current Czech government. It's a must-see next time you're in Prague.